Hi everyone! If Visual Intelligence isn't working for your iPhone, in this video I walk you through how to fix it in 30 seconds. First, make sure you're using a supported device. Visual Intelligence currently works only on iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 lineup. It uses the new camera control button on the right side of the phone. To activate Visual Intelligence, press and hold the button, not just tap it. A long press will launch the feature so you can analyze what's on your screen in front of your camera. If it's still not showing up, check that your iPhone is on the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update and make sure you are on iOS 18.2 or newer. Both Apple Intelligence and Visual Intelligence require this update to function properly. Next, make sure Apple Intelligence is turned on. Go to Settings, Apple Intelligence and toggle it on if it's off. Also, ensure the ChatGPT extension is enabled. This is what allows Visual Intelligence to actually interpret and answer your questions about what you see. And device language and serial language set to the same supported language. If you change serial language, Apple language might become unavailable until the new serial language fully downloads and matches the device language. Once everything's updated and turned on, try again. If you single-click the camera control, it's just open the camera app. But if you long press and hold, Visual Intelligence activates and you can ask questions about whatever your camera is seeing. For example, it can recognize objects, landmarks, or even translate text right on your screen. And that's it. If you find this helpful, subscribe for more practical tech tips. See you in the next one.